Today I'm going to teach you how to change the author name in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to update document metadata for professional purposes or correct authorship information before sharing files with colleagues or clients. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as this will grant you access to all the features we need for this tutorial. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where you'll find your most recently accessed documents. From this list, select the PDF file where you want to change the author name, click on it to open the document in the editor. Now look towards the upper left panel of your screen. You'll see a menu button. Click on this to reveal a drop-down with various options. From this menu, select Protection. This will open another submenu where you need to click on Security Properties. This is the gateway to accessing your document's metadata and properties. Once the Security Properties window opens, click on the Description tab. This tab contains all the basic information about your document, including the author name we're looking to modify. Alternatively, if you prefer a different route, you can right-click directly on your PDF editor and select Document Properties from the Context menu. Both methods will take you to the same place. In the Description tab, navigate to the Author field. This is where the current author name is displayed. Click on this field and simply type in the new author name you want to assign to the document. You can enter any name or organization that should be credited as the author. After you've entered the new author name, click OK to confirm your changes. This will close the Properties window and apply your modifications to the document. Finally, to ensure your changes are permanently saved, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This step is crucial because without saving, your author name change won't be preserved when you close the document. And that's it. You've successfully changed the author name in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.